Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Habib. If you're new to the channel, please show some love, hit the like and subscribe button. Today I have a very special fragrance here with me. It's called Al Farid and it's by the House of Arabian Oud. Now, the House of Arabian Oud is a Middle Eastern fragrance. They had their first store open up in Riyadh, which is the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia's capital, and the first time they opened their doors to the public was in 1982. They're spread out over a span of 37 different countries and they've been in service for quite some time. Now that's enough about Arabian Oud. Let's get into the specific fragrance Al Farid. The design of this fragrance is supposed to represent a unique cut diamond, and the name literally translates to the unique one or the unrivaled one. I'm not going to really get into the scent profile of this fragrance in this video. We're going to save that for another video. But one thing that's very unique and special with the House of Arabian Oud is that with their fragrances, they also put in a lot of effort and a lot of thought and a lot of research into their boxing and presentation as well. So that's what we're going to get into today, guys. And without any further ado, let's get straight into it.